One logic, every market, every time frame. Four very different markets, cocoa, a tech stock, silver, and Ethereum. And four different time frames, from the 1 hour all the way out to the weekly. Watch power bars do exactly the same job on every single one. Cocoa on the 1 hour. Right off the low, green takes hold, and you can watch the strength build bar by bar as it carries price higher into the first rally. It cools for a moment. Then green floods back in, and that renewed strength drives the push all the way up to the high. And much later, after the long slide, green appears yet again, lifting cocoa cleanly up off its lows. A different moment, the same unmistakable green. Now Micron on the 4 hour. A completely different market, a slower time frame, and yet there is that very same green, taking control for one long, deliberate climb. Watch how the strength simply holds, bar after bar, carrying price steadily higher the entire way up. It pauses just briefly to catch its breath, and then green steps back in and takes the lead once more. That fresh advance is still running, right up to today. Silver now on the daily. Slower still, with every bar a full day. And again, the very same reading. Green builds the first leg higher, strength quietly accumulating as price works its way up. After a brief rest, green returns with real conviction. This time it drives a far larger move, a powerful, sustained climb that carries silver all the way up to its top. And since that peak, the color has cooled away from green. Silver is simply catching its breath now, the strength resting for a while. And finally, Ethereum on the weekly, the broadest view of all. Each bar a full week. That same green powers the first major rally, lifting price strongly from the lows up to a new high. After it pulls back, green gathers itself and rebuilds, pushing back up with renewed strength to challenge those highs all over again. And then, rising out of the next decline, green ignites the most powerful advance of them all, strength surging back to drive Ethereum all the way up to its peak. Four markets, four time frames, one single logic. Whatever you trade, and whatever your time frame, learn to read the color once, and you can read any chart, anywhere. This video is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. See you in the next educational video.